Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 10. I just wanted to check in and say hello. I hope everyone's doing well, that you're all taking care of yourselves. I know there's still a lot going on in the world, and I just wanted to give a message of encouragement. Everybody just hang in there. Today is the 11th. The last day of classes is, I think, December 11th, so we have about a month. Let me check that. Yeah, so we've got about a month left. And so the finish line is in sight. So hang in there. So this week there is a lot going on. You can see in the info tab in the module, you are returning to Outliers, reading chapter 6. You are submitting a full rough draft of essay 3 by this Sunday. On effective Monday, starting on Monday, Canvas will automatically assign you one person to peer review, and you'll be assigned, and someone will be assigned your paper. So last time we did peer review, it was 2 peer reviews. This time it's 1, so you can really just concentrate on giving good feedback to one person. The peer review assignment, you have to answer questions that for your partner, for your peer review partner. That's going to be due by Wednesday. And then also this week, the optional review of revision of the second essay is due. So if you got less than 13 out of 15 points and you want to revise essay 2, you have to get that revision in by Sunday. And don't forget to submit a cover letter. No quizzes this week and no discussion this week. So we can actually just click through. Okay, so the essay 3 assignment, I think we've talked about this before, right? You're looking at this idea of the tiger parent. So you read 2 articles, one by Greenstreet, one by Anwar. Both of them were talking about this technique of parenting. And so the question that you're really looking at is regarding the pianist, Lang Lang. Was Lang Lang's father right or wrong for pushing his son to achieve success? So you must refer to both the Rosanna Greenstreet and the Yasmin Anwar articles, and you can include outliers as well if you want. Okay. The full draft, remember, rough draft is due Sunday. The full rough draft, so it should be the full 4 pages. I know that's long. It's an English 101 class. When you get to English 102, you'll be writing a longer research paper or 2 longer short papers perhaps. So we want to prepare you. That's a course learning outcome here in English 101. So we want to prepare you. I want to prepare you for those challenges. So it is a 4-page paper. Make sure you do double space, 12-point Times New Roman font, etc. So again, the due dates that we're looking at. So everybody did submit, or most everyone, I think, submitted the outline and the intro paragraph. I gave feedback on those. A few people didn't do the outline. I think one person kind of said they just usually free write, and that's fine. But, you know, the exercise was to also make sure that everyone's going through the process. So thinking about your paper and having an outline is a good part of the writing process. So that was due, they're graded, and more importantly, you have feedback. So look at that assignment, see my feedback. Again, this Sunday, the full rough draft, all 4 pages, is due. In the comments, please list 2 to 3 areas for improvement that I noted on essay 2 and explain how you addressed those. Again, then the Monday night, you'll be assigned a person to peer review, a peer review partner, if you will. Your response to the peer review part of the assignment is due Wednesday, and then the whole final draft is due Sunday, November 22nd. So we're moving quickly, okay? So make sure you're mindful of that. Budget your time. Oh, okay, these are the articles. Next article. Okay, so here's where you're going to be submitting the full draft. Make it your best possible rough draft, okay? 4 pages by Sunday. And this is the directions for the peer review. So when Canvas assigns you the peer review partner, what you should do, and I'm a little more intentional here from last time, do copy these questions, right? Questions to copy. Copy them into Word, either in Google Docs or open up Microsoft Word. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Copy them, right? Copy, paste them, okay? And then write your answers. And then when you're done, it says you can copy and paste them back into the reply box. I'm going to also actually change this now that I'm thinking out loud and talking out loud. You can also, I think, attach the file if you'd like. That might be easier, okay? Because I think last time around people said it was a little hard to read the feedback in the comment box. So you can also attach a file, okay? But please do answer all 7 questions. And again, you are only going to have to look at one person's paper, okay? For those of you, again, if you got 13 or lower and you want to revise, you can do that here. Don't forget about the cover letter. This is where you would upload the cover letter. And then we have the community forum. Okay, and then I think the next thing is just the student chat room. Okay, so some of you are revising, some of you are not. Everyone's doing the rough draft of Essay 3. Please make it your best draft. It is still a rough draft, but make sure you make it your best. Look and see what feedback I gave you in Essay 2. Definitely look at the feedback I gave you on your introduction paragraph and your outline of Essay 3. And that's about it. So it is a lot of work, but no discussion board, no quizzes. You're focusing on these essays, right? You're focusing on Essay 3. Some of you are also maybe revising Essay 2, but that's really it. Okay, so as I said at the beginning, I'll just repeat it. I want to offer encouragement to everyone out there. I know it's hard. We might feel isolated still. Everyone has a lot going on in their lives. We do have about a month left in the semester. Everyone is doing their best. I know. I'm happy to work with people in terms of flexibility with due dates. It's just a matter of emailing me. Just ask me if you think you need extra time. And I do have the office hours, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm also available to meet other times, and we're almost there. So just be kind to yourself, and take care of yourself. And I will see you all at some point. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.